What is Abriska 27036? Abriska 27036 is a highly versatile and cost-effective web-based supplier risk management tool, accessible via any browser from anywhere. It was developed by Consulting Services, one of the UK's leading providers of consultancy, training and software in the areas of information security and risk management. The tool is closely aligned to both ISO 27001 and ISO 27036, the international standards for information security management and information security for supplier relationships, respectively, and benefits from URM's 15 years of risk management implementation experience. What is Abriska 27036 designed to do? Abriska 27036 was designed to help organisations conduct supplier due diligence across a wide and diverse range of suppliers and partners. With Abriska 27036, you have the capacity to tailor your question set and ask more in-depth questions of higher risk suppliers who may have access to more sensitive or critical information. Abriska 27036 was also designed to reduce the administrative overhead involved in sending out questionnaires, chasing for responses, and then conducting the initial triage of those responses. Abriska is adept at carrying out these activities, and with the initial triage can add value by adding further weight to certain questions. What type of organisation is Abriska 27036 particularly suited to? Abriska 27036 is the ideal web-based tool for any organisation which has a range of suppliers, some of which have direct or indirect access to its information and information systems, and any organisation which is looking to improve both the effectiveness and efficiency of its supplier due diligence process. The tool is also ideally suited to those organisations looking to comply with the supplier relationship controls of ISO 27001. What are the benefits associated with the adoption of Abriska 27036? Easy to use and intuitive. One of Abriska's 27036's compelling attributes is its ability to precisely target the information you need from third parties in order to determine what risks they pose to your organisation. Whilst pre-populated with a set of best practice questions by URM's consultants, you are able to add, subtract or tailor questions according to the service provided. In addition, you have the capability to weight questions according to the importance of specific controls. Abriska is also particularly effective in reducing the administrative burden of conducting supplier due diligence. In addition, all suppliers are managed through a single risk register, giving management full oversight of every supplier and their levels of risk to the organisation. How does Abriska 27036 work? Abriska comes pre-populated with a core set of questions which are aligned with the controls of ISO 27001 and which have been augmented with additional questions from URM's senior information security and data protection consultants. Categories can be set up within Abriska according to the type and severity of information and/or information systems which suppliers and third parties have access to. For example, hard copy versus electronic information, or personally identifiable information, or financial information. As such, when conducting due diligence on new suppliers, you can assign them to different categories so they only receive targeted and relevant questions. With Abriska, you have the flexibility to select the number and type or style of questions, but also the depth of the questions as well, if these need to be leading questions. You also have the ability to apply greater weighting to questions and controls. The end result is that respondents receive an appropriate and tailored set of questions. Once the respondent is provided with access to the questionnaire, the relationship manager has oversight of the progress being made in completing the questionnaire and can chase if necessary. Once completed, any manual assessment of free text questions can be made by the relationship manager and an overall risk score can be generated. From here, you can decide on your risk treatment options and create any actions for either you or the supplier. Thank you for your interest, and we hope we have whetted your appetite. To learn more and arrange a demonstration, please contact URM via our website.